Hi students, today let's learn factorization by two different methods. So first method is by grouping. In this method what we do is we generally try to take all the like terms together and the unlike terms together. And after taking the like terms and the unlike terms in different groups, we try to find the common factor between them. So this is our first method. Second method is how do we take factors for difference of two squares. So whenever we have difference of two squares, we use this formula: a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So this is the whole concept behind these two methods. So now let's try to understand by taking few examples. Okay, so now the first example is from factorization by grouping. So this is 3x to the power 5 minus 6x to the power 4 minus 2x cube plus 4x square plus x minus 2. Okay, now if you see this expression carefully, we see we have x in all the terms except the last one, which is a constant. Okay, so now since we have x in all the terms, we can take this x common, isn't it? But first let us try to make groups. So what we can do here is we can make one group of terms with higher power and we can make another group of terms with lower power, and we can keep this term separate for the time being. Okay, so now let's start and see what we can do. So we'll take 3x to the power 5 minus 6x to the power 4 as one group. Now we'll take minus, so this becomes 2x cube minus 4x square. This is our second term, and we'll keep this as the third term. Okay, now see what we can take common from this part. So x to the power 4 we can take common. So we'll take x to the power 4 common first. So we'll get 3x minus 6 here. Now in this term again we have x cube and x square. So we can take x square common from here. So it will be minus x square. So we'll have 2x minus 4 plus this term is as it is. So now what we can do is we have this constants inside. So we can take common accordingly. So what we get here, see, x to the power 4, we can take 3 common. So we'll take 3 common. We'll get x minus 2 here minus x square. We can take 2 common from here. So we'll take 2 common. So we'll have x minus 2. And here we have 1 x minus 2. So now see we have x minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 2 in all the terms. So we can take this also as common. So we'll take x minus 2 common from the whole expression. So we get 3x to the power 4 minus 2 x square plus 1. So this will be the solution for this expression. Now for standard 8, this can be taken as the answer. But if you still want to factorize further, so we can go ahead by one more step. So now see what we can do is we have x minus 2 here, and this we can write as 3 into x square whole square. So this becomes x to the power 4 minus 2 x square plus 1. Okay, so further what we can do is we can take this as root 3 x square whole square minus root 2 x whole square plus 1. So this part is the difference of two squares. So this can be further simplified as x minus 2. So a plus b into a minus b. So it will be root 3 x square plus root 2x into root 3x square minus root 2x plus 1. So this can also be the final answer for this. Understood? So in this part we have used the second method also. So this we'll see as we go ahead with examples. Okay, now let's take the second example. So we have 2ab square c minus 2a plus 3b cube c minus 3b minus 4b square c square plus 4c. So now see, if we look at this carefully, we have 2a 3b 4c. So this we can take it as one group, and this part we can take it as another group. So first let us divide this into groups. So what we can do is we can have 2ab square c plus 3b cube c minus 4b square c square as one group. And then we can take the second group as, so we'll have 2a plus 3b minus 4c. So this becomes our second group. So now see, from this ab square c we have b cube c, we have b square c square. So we can take b square and c common from this part or from this group. So this becomes our group 1, this becomes our group 2. So now we'll try to take b square c common from the first group. So we'll take b square c common from the first group. So we'll get 2a plus 3b minus 4c. And we have a second group as 2a plus 3b minus 4c. So now from both the groups we have this term common. These are the common terms. So let's try to take this outside the group. So first we'll take this common part, 2a plus 3b minus 4c. This is common. So now let's see what's remaining terms are there. So we'll get b square c minus 1. So this becomes our answer. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Now let's come to the factorization of difference of two squares. Okay, so basically what we are doing is we have two squares, difference of two squares. So what we use is a plus b into a minus b. So this is the formula which we are going to use for factorization of difference of two squares. Now let's take the first example. So first example is a to the power 4 minus bracket a square minus 3b square whole square. Now see, here we have a perfect square, here also we have a perfect square. So we can say this part is my a and this part is my b. So we have a square minus b square, which can be broken as a plus b and a minus b. So now see what we'll do. So this is basically a square whole square minus a square minus 3b square whole square. This becomes a square plus a square minus 3b square into a square minus a square plus 3b square, like this. So these two will get cancelled. So we get 2a square minus 3b square as one term, and another one is 3b square. So this becomes our answer. Okay, now let's see the last example. So here what we have is x square plus 6x plus 9 minus 4y square. So we can write this as x square plus 6x plus 9 minus 2y whole square, isn't it? Okay, now let's see this part. This is basically x plus 3 whole square. So when you expand this, what we get? X square plus 2ab plus 3 square. This is x square plus 6x plus 9. So this part we can write it by this term. So this is x plus 3 whole square minus 2y whole square. Now see, they are now in the form of a square minus b square. So we'll apply the formula. So we will get, this is a plus b into a minus b. So here we'll get x plus 3 plus 2y into x plus 3 minus 2y. So this will be our answer. So I hope you have understood these two methods. Okay student, see you in the next class.